Hi, my name is Apoorva Sharma and I'm pursuing MBA from Gautam University, Greater Noida. I attended the webinar on Campus to Corporate Get the Job by Mr. Arjun Roy and it was amazing experience. The webinar was very informative and I really enjoyed it a lot. Thank you.
As I'm making my way towards corporates, one of my friends suggested me to attend a webinar that was organized by Acelot Innovation Private Limited on 28th of June 2020. The session was successfully conducted by Mr. Arjun Roy. He told us various tips and tricks that can be used during communication and presentation during an interview. I came across knowing that how can we brush up our skills and knowledge for an interview process. How can I find my goals and answer the interviewer according to what he actually expects out of a candidate. He also told us various questions through activities and question answer session. I look forward to attend more and more sessions so that I can continue growing up and stepping one step forward towards the corporates. Thank you.
My name is Jatin and I would like to thank Acelot Innovation Private Limited for this session on 20th of June. The things which I learned from this session was the body language, which is very important whether you prepare for GD or an interview. Second is storytelling. In order to support your arguments at the time of interview, storytelling is very important. And the very important thing, the relationship building, which whether you ace interview or not, relationship building is very important. Thank you so much.
Hi, this is Sumit Chandra from ITS Gaziabad PGDM 9021 batch, and I have attended a webinar that has been conducted on 20th of May by Acelot Innovation Private Limited, and the guest speaker was Mr. Arjun Roy. I must say that it was really a wonderful session because in that session I have learned a lot of things like how to crack interviews, how to present yourself, and the different types of queries that have been solved during the session by our guest speaker. I must say that it was really a very informative and very wonderful session. I would like to thank Mr. Arjun Roy and Acelot Innovation Private Limited for providing us such a wonderful session. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Preetha from Kerala. Campus to Corporate Get That Job has been an eye-opener for me. I got to learn a lot of simple tips and tricks by which we could ace any interview. Thank you so much Mr. Arjun Roy and thank you Acelot.
My name is Rajat. I am a student of PGDM first year from ITS College Gaziabad. Recently, I had attended a webinar on presentation skills and interviewing skills conducted by Mr. Arjun Roy. It was such an amazing and bodacious session. I really enjoyed the session. The key learning of the session were I understood that communication is a key to success in one's career. And what are the important points which we should keep in mind so that we can succeed in our corporate life. So I would like to thank Acelot Innovation Private Limited for giving such a great opportunity to me. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I Ashwini, who is currently pursuing his PGDM from GIMS, attended a webinar session on how to win interviews by Arjun Roy. After attending the webinar, I got to know a whole new perspective on how to crack interviews. The most important thing I got to know is that body language communicates a lot and our words should synchronize with the body language to make an impact with every words we say. Further topics included the following, like how to present yourself, how to create that first impression, how to be crisp and precise in answering the questions, etc. were discussed. I honestly believe that it was a very useful session and every job seeker must attend it. Thank you Acelot for providing such a wonderful session. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Kawaljeet Singh. I belong to Meerut. I am pursuing MBA from Jaipuriya Institute of Management, Indrapuram, Gaziabad. I attend the webinar on Campus to Corporate by Mr. Arjun Roy. It is really initiative and helpful for interview skills. I am really enjoy it and I am personally recommend you to attend all webinars which is upcoming by Acelot. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Preeti Kashyap from Gaziabad. Campus to Corporate Get a Job has made me unlock the locks of this interview fear. By taking this workshop, I learned more about communication and presentation skills, which enhances my knowledge. Thanks to Acelot.
Hi, I'm Misha Sharma from Delhi. Campus to Corporate Get That Job helped me in enhancing both my presentation and communication skills. Thank you, Acelot, for helping me become Cyrus of the Lot.
Greetings to everyone. My name is Rahul Alpha. I'm from Gaziabad. Campus to Corporate Get That Job has helped me significantly in uplifting my presentation and communication skills. I would like to thank Acelot for initiating this webinar.
Hi guys, I'm Prince Tyagi. I belong to Gaziabad and I'm pursuing MBA from Jaipuriya Institute of Management, Indrapuram, Gaziabad. I attended a webinar, Campus to Corporate, Get the Job, which was organized by Acelot Innovation Private Limited and delivered by Mr. Arjun Roy. If I want to talk about this webinar, the webinar was very good. I learned a lot from that webinar, especially how to crack the interview, presentation skills and how to work on your skills. I would like to say thanks to Acelot for providing me such a great session and I would recommend you all to join this session. Thank you.